The Zimbabwe Republic Police has appointed Commissioner Maxwell Chikunguru as the new officer commanding police for Harare Province, replacing Commissioner Wanda Tembo. Commissioner Tembo expressed his gratitude to his lieutenants, the entire staff, for their unwavering support during his tenure, and he also acknowledges the presence of his church leader, Mazibaba Simba, for shepherding for the past years.
I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all of you, my lieutenants. Unfortunately, my lieutenants, now, they are not here, but coincidentally, the other two that you used to know, elsewhere. That's the song which puts and we move. Yes. Officers commanding districts were here, and the entire staff for the unwavering support you have provided during my tenure. Dai musirimi ndisiripam. Yes. Dai musirimi zandakamira hapa ndichivhaira ndichiti I've been here for 3.5 years and what I would not have managed to do that without you. Yes. Ndoda kukutendai madispo. I used to tell you that itaibas, but I also used not to hide it away from you that each time you did a good job, it will reflect on me, isn't it? Positively or negatively. So that's what in Indakagarapanapa, I was thinking of these various positions, but Munagandi Paudare Wacho is not recognized in the function where I am. So I got a bit worried and said no, but the moment I will stand up, that will be the first person I will introduce. Because if I don't do that, by the time I get to church, Garjayet. But I want to thank you very much, Vachakanza, for making the amends, by making sure that you have introduced Mukuro Church Kwam. Whilst the government of Zimbabwe does a lot to shepherd me to be what I am today, spiritually is the man who also shepherds me. I want to thank you.
The incoming officer commanding police, Commissioner Maxwell Chikunguru, appreciated the exceptional leadership of Commissioner Tembo to Harare Province over the past 3.5 years.
Yes, Commissioner Wanda Tembo said, your legacy will be remembered, and I am dedicated to building upon the solid foundation that you have already established. I am reliably informed of the very good working relationship between the police and the community. In that view, I would also like to extend my thanks to the Harare Provincial Crime Liaison Committee, led by Dr. Nathaniel Mazivanyika, for their unwavering support and invaluable contribution. Thank you, Doctor. Together, we will face the challenges ahead with determination, resilience, and a firm commitment to making Harare Province a safer place for all.
The outgoing officer commanding police, Commissioner Wanda Tembo, served the Harare Province for the past 3.5 years, and his exceptional leadership and dedicated service to Harare Province will be remembered. Thokozile Mawere, reporting for Pahasha TV, Harare.